Now this is a dancing lady, and if you zoom in closely to the petal, it looks like a lady in a ball gown. Can you see that? It's ready to dance. That's why they call it the dancing lady. Now, with all the orchids that I've spoken about in the past that need to be drowned and misted every second day, this is one orchid that you do not drown. This is an orchid that you mist every second day. And with any cut flower, whether it's an orchid, a rose, a gladioli, and the list is too long to go through in today's floral gossip tips, never ever place your flowers next to a fruit bowl, especially fruit and vegetable that are ripening, because they are releasing a gas called ethylene, which I call farting. And unlike humans who have legs to move away from odour, cut flowers unfortunately don't have legs. So be mindful of that. No ripening fruit or vegetables near your beauties, because we don't want to accelerate the aging process. We want to keep them living for longer. I hope you've enjoyed today's tip.